Hey guys, Safety Dave here. Hey, so today I'm going to go over the daily pre-task plan QR code form. There's Tom. I don't have a mask on there. Day safety days isn't safe. All right, so we're going to go over this QR code. Pretty simple. So on any of your phones, you all have access to it. You just scan in this code and a pre-task plan form on Microsoft Form comes up, and then you just fill it out. It's pretty easy. So real quick, I'm going to kind of go over how easy it is. All right, so go ahead and pull up your phone. I got my phone. I go to camera. I find the QR code. I scan it. It pops up. So this works on Android or iPhone. And you'll notice nice little daily pre-task form. All right, pre-task plan. So on it, it has the description of the task. So select the description. So we'll just say material, equipment, delivery, street level. There's 2 levels for that one. We'll do location of task. So enter the project name, job name, the floor level where you're at, and the elevation of the task. So if you're doing a task like unit installation and you're going to get it done in one day or lay down, you're just going to put just right entire floor. You can kind of write whatever you need to in there. Then you're going to go ahead and select a site supervisor, either Tom, Curtis, or Brian. There's also on some of these multiple choice answers, you'll see other. So if it's somebody else, say Pete, you're supervising a job, you'll go ahead and put your name in there. You'll have a section for the date. All right. You'll have a section for the team. So just all your guys' names are in there. So just go ahead and select who's ever on that crew and that team. And then you'll notice that at the tops of the site, or the steps to be taken and the hazards. So essentially what this needs to be done, and it says it at the top, this needs to be done as a team. And you'll find these QR codes located. You'll have one on the safety bulletin board as an example. And then inside the gang boxes, each of your crew gang boxes, you'll find one of these QR codes. All right. And so at the end of this video, I'll kind of show a little clip of where you can find it. It might not be in the same spot in your gang boxes, but it will be in there, and they will look just like this. All right. And the purpose of it being at your gang box is so that you have to go to your work area and do the form and fill out the pre-task form there. All right. So we'll keep going through this. Number 6, as I mentioned, is steps to be taken. Now, this is the only one that I didn't include multiple choice. I kind of want you guys to just detail the steps you're going to take. Okay, so we're going to lay down units and prep them out of the bunk. So we're going to inspect our, class 3 forklift, our stacker. We're going to undo the horizontal arms. 2 people are going to move the bunk arms, right? They're going to, a certified operator is going to pull in. He's going to lift the unit out of the bunk. We're going to set it down on floor dollies, and we're going to clean it. We're going to set it where it needs to go. Just kind of outline the steps. You don't have to be too detailed, but just kind of go through each step. And within those steps, you'll find your hazards. All right. So number 7, you'll find work environment and task evaluation. So these are multiple choice, multiple selection. Go through and check all that apply. And then you'll go down to section 8, which is your required PPE. This is also multiple choice and multiple selection. Number 9, you'll find associated hazards with that task. This is also multiple choice and multiple selection. So select all that apply. And then number 10, you'll see protective measures. Again, select all that apply, and it's multiple selection as well. All right, we'll go down. And then section 11 is not required, but it is a comment section. So please just enter any comments, requests, or suggestions or notes that the team may have below. So again, it's the essence of this pre-task plan that's most important. Another thing that's kind of nice about this is once you guys, at the end, once you're done, you'll see a button that says submit. Just press submit, and that'll go directly to the server. We'll be able to access it, and it automatically saves it on a nice Excel spreadsheet workbook. So yeah, we don't have to scan it in. You guys don't have to worry about turning it in anymore. So, yeah, excellent. All right, guys, remember, if you have any questions, reach out to me or your site supervisor, and we can go ahead and answer them for you. Thank you. So, guys, right here in the gang box, see it on the sidewall, is where you'll find your pre-task plan, daily pre-task plan QR code. Just scan that and then go ahead and fill it out.